Hello, my wireless tattoo enthusiasts. Today I have another cool machine to show you. This one is from Linetion. It's called the Sorter. Let's do an unboxing. Linetion is brought to you by DK Lab. DK Lab also sent us these Warrior safety cartridges. Shiny. We're gonna test both out with the machine today. Let's open up this Linetion sorter. Let's see what this sorter is all about. I can say it's one of the more fun packaging that I've had for a while from this Linetion company. It comes with a travel case, which is pretty cool. Looks like a carabiner here on the side. And inside the carrying case here, we have some protective foam and cord here. Looks like a pretty decent, nice chunky cord comes with this machine. This one's pink. Not sure if they're all pink, but that's cool. I'm happy with that. Operating manual. Looks like we have 2 lithium-ion batteries here. Charger. And there's the sorter. Looks like it comes with a separate RCA connector here. So you have that versatility of either. Everything fits snugly into the carrying case here. Looks like you just need a cord, USB to micro USB for the charger here. And here is the sorter. So it has a battery on it right now. Let's see how we can remove that. Looks like it twists off. You have the 2 sides, so that is nice. You have the versatility of the battery or the RCA. Pretty easy to screw on and off here. And that does reduce the overall size of the machine. I'm wondering how much this thing weighs. Let's just weigh it. Just a quick check on the weight here with the battery and the individual battery inside. 224 grams total. If we use the RCA, let's see how much it weighs then. About 163 grams. So it's quite a bit different with the battery versus no battery. The sorter comes in 2 different stroke lengths, the 3.5 and the 4mm. They sent us the 3.5mm stroke length, so that's what we'll be reviewing today. The sorter has a nice weight to it, as we just showed you with the scale when it has the battery on, which is something I do like for stability. I also like that you have that versatility of making it lighter. Let's just do that nice little peel here. Let's pop a needle on here and turn this on. We have all these Warrior cartridges here. Let's see what they sent us. It's like a present. I don't know what I'm gonna get inside. All right, looks like they sent me 5 round liner in a 12 gauge. I could use more of those, thank you. That's awesome. Warrior safety cartridges. I like the packaging. 9 round liners, a bunch of assorted, a whole assortment. 17 mag. Yeah, nice. With the soft curved edge. Sweet. Thank you, DK Lab. All right, let's pop open a 7. So the cartridge fits really, really nicely. It snaps on easily. I like the grip on this particular cartridge. Needle depth here. Pretty easy to turn, nice clicky sound to it. Power button's really easy to feel, tactile. That's an 8-volt that it just started at. Does look like it goes down in 0.1 increments. Now down to a 7. Can change my needle depth. There we go. The battery sounds pretty good. It sounds like it's not winding up or skipping. The motor is a Japanese coreless motor. The working speed adjustments again are in 0.1 voltage increments, which is really nice. It looks like the machine operating guide here tells us that the operating voltage is from 4.5 to about 12 volts. You can see it is a pretty good size. They have it listed here at 134 millimeters, diameter 33 millimeters. They are saying that if you charge this battery 2 to 3 hours, it should last 5 to 8 working hours. So that's a pretty long time. It'd be nice to put that to the test and see how this thing does. All right, so let's test this thing out on some silicone. Yeah, needs more juice. So I'm at an 8.4 volt, trying lining on the real skin. I have a little more practice on the real skin, so I'm used to comparing on that surface. Once you change your surface, it's a little hard to do the side by side. Definitely feels like it's getting in there well. I do feel like there's a little bit of vibration to this one, but the weight is nice, so I feel like that helps keep it steady. I'm gonna try a higher voltage, now at a 9. I'll try an 8.6. Oh, it's reasonable. If I slow my hand speed down, should help. It's definitely a solid line. Can definitely pull straight lines with it with a little practice. Every machine has a little different weight distribution. I definitely feel like with this one, the weight distribution is more towards the battery. It does seem like the battery adds quite a bit of weight to this machine. Having said that, it is getting in the silicone well. I think it could be a nice liner here. So kind of ran out of ink there, but was able to move a little faster with the machine too. I think, yeah, you know, the more I use it, the straighter my lines are looking. I think you could get used to the weight distribution, and it seems like the penetration's good. I'm getting the ink in there. It looks like a solid pull when I'm going the right voltage and hand speed. It is a little more heavy towards the back side of the machine here. The display is pretty nice, as you can see here. The way you open the battery is right here on this latch. So this is a lid that, you know, will have to open and close. The hinge isn't the largest, so you want to be really careful with that. It does worry me that it could get damaged more easily down the line. Then again, you always do have your RCA connector too in case of emergency. And then to put it back on, you do have to press and then close the top there. I'm gonna throw on that 7 meg again. Let's try it out on the real skin. Notice that was at a 7.2 volt. Looks like we got a soft shade there. Let's try to blend into that. Let me throw on the larger mag so I can see the patterning well, but it seems like it's working with the 7. Yeah, so the patterning looks pretty consistent with the larger needle grouping here. I do see a nice fade here from dark to light. So that was a 7.5. You definitely want to run it a bit higher for lining, looks like. Okay, so I put on a 3-round liner. I'm at a 6 volt. Just gonna try out stipple shading a little bit. The dot pattern looks pretty good, not too chaotic. It's definitely a very light shader. Okay, that is my silicone test of the Linetion sorter. As you can see, it lines, it shades, it can stipple shade. It does all the things you'll need in a tattoo machine. And it's very reasonable for what you're getting out of it, including a case, a cord, and an RCA adapter here. So that is all very nice for the price that you're getting it. I'm very happy to use it today on the real skin. I think it performed very well, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. You can find it on Amazon. Just follow a link in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So, thank you. Bye.